Okay, right, so this we will continue with the example of the LU decomposition. Okay, so let's say this is a question. Solve the following linear system by using LU decomposition. Okay, LU decomposition. Okay, so the first step first is you can write first the A equal to LU to get a idea. Okay, kalau you tak tulis mungkin you tak tahu apa yang nak cari ni, L ke U ke apa. Okay, this is the first step. Write first A equal to LU. Oh sorry, before that, Allah saya tak bagi matrix. Okay, so this is the system. 2x1 plus 3x2 minus x3 equal to 2. 4x1 plus 4x2 minus x3 equal to negative 1. Negative 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 4x3 equal to 1. Okay. Alright. So then, okay, now set number 1. A equal to LU. So just write your A in the matrix A and LU. So matrix A you can get it from this, okay, from this. So this is 2, 3, negative 1. And then 4, 4, negative 1. Negative 2, negative 3, and also 4. Okay. Then this is your matrix L. Okay, what is your matrix L just now? Okay, 1, 1, 1. And then here is 0, 0, 0. Here is L, 2, 1. L3, 1, L3, 2. Okay, you doesn't know yet your L, right? So you just write this. Okay, memang kita tak tahu lagi masa ni. So this is U. U is 0, 0, 0. The rest is a number. So U1, 1, U1, 2, U1, 3, U2, 2, U2, 3, and the last one is U3, 3. Okay, this is step number 1. Okay, step number 2. You need to multiply. Okay, multiply this. Okay, so okay, I fill up lah. Okay, so this one, row 1, you will times with column 1. So here is U1, 1. Here is row 1 times with column 2. You will have U1, 2, row 1, column 3. This is U1, 3. And then for this one, okay, you take the row 2 times with column 1. So you have L21, U1, 1. Make sure you calculate betul-betul. Okay, this one you need to memorize. Okay, you can memorize, but I suggest you to understand. Saya suggest supaya you faham macam mana darab tu. Supaya dia, kalau you memorize, takut you tersalah. Okay, so better you understand how the multiplication tu berlaku lah, occur. Okay, right. So for this one is L21 times with U12 plus U22. And for this one is L21 U13 plus U23. Okay, and then for this one L31 U11, and then for this one is L31 U12 plus L32 U22, and the last one is L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus U33. Okay, so you can check. Actually, you can check. You can refer to the slides. Kalau you nak refer to the slide lah. So this is the matrix of LU. Okay, LU means after you multiply. Okay, after you multiply matrix L and also U, you should get this one. Okay, so now the next step is what? Okay, the next step is to make it a comparison. Okay, so now we want to compare with the matrix A. Mana sebagai contoh. Okay, so now comparison betul ke ni step nombor 3 tadi, step nombor 4. Okay, so okay, tak kisahlah nombor ni, tapi this is how first you write and then you multiply and so on. Okay. Okay, right, so comparison. Our objective is to find the value of this matrix. Okay, so Okay, dekat belah kiri ni still ada value dia. 2, 3, -1, 4, 4, -1, -2, -3, 4. Okay, so U11, U12, U13, you will get the same answer because dia exactly just alone. Maksudnya dia satu je, tak ada pun darab dengan mana-mana. So for U11 you will get 2. Okay, for U12 you will get 3. For U13 you will get -1. Okay, then we proceed to row number 2 pula. Okay, row number 2. So L21 U11 is equal to 4. Okay, and then U11 you already get the value here. You already have the value. So you just substitute U11 2 here. So 4. So means that L21 is equal to what? 4 divided by 2. So 2 lah. Okay, your L21 is 2. Okay, then settle. So you proceed to the second one, the second column. L21 U12 plus U22, and this equation is equal to 4. So you do it the same thing, you fill out all the value that you already have. So for example, L21 you already have 2 here. So just substitute 2. U12 you already have here 3. And you just to find out U22. So what is your U22? Okay, 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6. So it become what? -2. Okay. And then proceed with the last, for the third column lah. We are still in row number 2, so we find out this one first. So L21 U13 plus U23 equal to -1. L21 you already have the value here is 2. U13 also you have a value is -1. So you just find out what's your U23. So U23 is equal to what? -1 minus it become plus, -1 plus 2 it become 1. Okay, alright, so now we proceed to row number 3. Okay, row number 3 pula. Okay, for row number 3, okay, what is your L31 U11? And this one is equal to -2. L31, tak ada lah, L31 tak ada, so you want to find L31. So U11 is just now is 2, is equal to -2. So L31 is equal to -1. Okay, so now you proceed to the second column. L3, what is that? L32 U12. L31 U12 plus L32 U22, and this equation is equal to -3. So L31 you get it from here in -1. U12 already have the value. U12 is 3. Okay, plus L32. What is your L32? Okay, L32 you nak cari. What is your U22? U22 you dah dapat tadi, mana? -2. So here is -3 minus 2. L32 equal to -3. L32 -3 plus 3. 0. So the L32 is 0. Okay, L32 is 0. Okay, so we proceed to the last one. L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus U33, and this equation equal to 4. Okay, L31 is -1, U13 is -1, L32 is 0, so U23 tak kisah apa-apa, tapi as long tapi tulislah okay 1 because of this is already 0, right? So means that is 0 lah. Okay, and then U33, so this one is 0, so this one is 1, so U33 is equal to 3. Okay, so now you already get all this value. Okay, ada 9 value sepatutnya, semua kan ada 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, they must have 9. So then what we do next, substitute back all this value into your matrix L, and matrix U. Substitute balik dalam matrix L and U. So just now this is your matrix L. So L31, what's your where's? Okay, -1. Where's your L32? L21 first. Where's your L21? Okay, L21 here 2. Okay, your L21 here is 2. L31 is -1 and L32 0. Okay, and then for U, U11 is 2, 3, -1. U22 -2. U23 1 and U33 is 3. So you already complete your matrix L. So this is your matrix L. Okay, right? So then the next step is the Ly equal to B, right? Okay, so I will proceed with the steps. Okay. Okay. So step apa-apa dah ni? Step 5 ke? Tak kisahlah step berapa. Okay, so Ly equal to B. Alright. So your matrix L just now, what is your matrix L? 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, -1, 0, 1. What is your matrix Y? What is your matrix Y? Y1, Y2, Y3. How about your matrix B? Okay, mana dapat matrix B ni? Matrix B is from your question just now. This is your B value. Okay. 2, -1, 1. Okay. So now, kat sini you nak kena cari value untuk Y. Okay. If you recall back just now in the slide Gauss elimination, I said that they have two, forward substitution and also backward substitution. Just now I show you how to solve by using backward, right? Because of what? Because we choose the last row first. Sebab last row tu dia dah senang, dia ada kosong-kosong. So now can you see that this matrices, matrix L, the 0, 0 here is at the first row. Therefore, we will solve it by using, we call it as backward substitution. Okay, backward, the keyword here is backward substitution. So you will start with the row 1. Okay, instead of the row 3, kalau backward kita start dengan row yang terakhir lah. So now we do it for forward substitution. So we start with the row 1. So like I said that the first column is a coefficient for Y1. The second one is the coefficient for Y2. The third one is Y3. So you can start with the row 1. So therefore your row 1 here is Y1. And this equation is equal to 2. Okay, so therefore you already get the answer directly. Y1 equal to 2. So next you proceed to this with the second row. The second row here is 2Y1. Okay, because it's 2 is located at Y1. Alright. And then you plus with the second one is 1, Y2. And then this one kosong lah, tak ada apa. And then it's equal to -1. Okay. So now, okay, this value you already have, no. This value you already have. Okay, you already get from here. So you just substitute 2, so plus Y2 equal to -1. Therefore your Y2 equal to -5. Okay, so the last one is the third row. The third row is -Y1 plus Y3. Because of your Y2 0, right? So they have no Y2 here. So terus jump to Y3. And this equation equal to 1. And of course, the same thing, your Y1, you can get it from here. So it become -2 plus Y3 equal to 1. And your Y3 is equal to 3. So your matrix Y, okay, it's not final answer yet, but this is how you write, okay? Your matrix Y is Y1, 2, Y2, -5, and Y3 is 3. So we are done step 5. Okay, so now we go to the last step. Step number 6 is Ux equal to Y. So your matrix U, matrix X, and matrix Y. So what is your matrix U just now? Mana matrix U tadi? Okay, 2, 3, negative 1, 0, negative 2, 1, 0, 0, 3. And matrix X here is X1, X2, and X3. Okay, how about Y? Okay, Y is the value that you get here. So 2, negative Y, 3. Okay, so kalau value Y salah, you akan effect kat sini. Okay, so this is your matrix Y. So you do the same thing like the previous one, but you can see that 0, 0 is located at the last row, row number 3. Therefore, you will do it backward substitution. Backward. Okay, backward substitution because of we will do it row number 3. So this is X1, this is X2, and this is a column X3. So we have 3x, 3, and this equation is equal to 3. So X3 is equal to 1. Okay, then we proceed to second row. Second row is negative 2x2 plus x3 is equal to negative 5. So you have already set x3 here, so substitute the value x3 here. So negative x2 plus 1, negative 5. So x2 is equal to negative 5, negative 6 over. So x2 is equal to 3. And the last one is 2x1 plus 3x2 minus x3, and this equation is equal to 2. So x1, okay, x2 and x3 have the value already. So you substitute. So you have 2x1 plus 9x, so 2. So 2x1 equal to negative 6 here. So x1 is equal to negative 3. So therefore, your final answer, okay, you must write in terms of matrix. So S1, S2, S3. So the value here is negative 3, 3, and 1. Yeah, done. Okay, so this is the final answer. So this is the steps or the algorithm for the LU decomposition. Panjang kan? Panjang, saya buat pun dah 3 pages. So it's really, it's a lot works lah that you need to do. Banyak calculation, but just be careful. Please do not make a mistake because of if you wrong calculate on the, for example, you dah salah dekat cari LU, it will affect your Y or your matrix L and U, and automatically it will be affect the value for Y, and lastly we will affect the value for X. Okay, so make sure careful lah. It's not only for this method, but the rest pun sama. Jangan kelang kabut sangatlah calculate. Okay, alright. Okay, so we are finished on LU decomposition, which is the second method. So in the next video I will proceed with the third method, which is the last method. It is Gauss-Seidel. Okay.